Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best action camera you should definitely know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the SJ Cam. Let's get started. Product feature. The 170-degree HD ultra-wide-angle lens lets you capture more of the world in every shot, adding incredible depth and a professional, immersive feel to your travel videos and memories. Experience professional-grade smoothness with the built-in 6-axis gyro stabilization. It acts just like a gimbal to keep your footage steady and shake-free, even during your most intense adventures. Dive into your passions with confidence thanks to its 30-meter waterproof rating. It's perfect for snorkeling and underwater discovery, capturing the sea's beauty without needing extra gear. Stay in the moment longer with a powerful battery that offers over 2 hours of recording time. It's built for day-long explorations, so you can focus on the fun rather than searching for a charger. The SJ8 Pro is specifically designed for high-motion activities like biking or skiing. It ensures every fast-paced moment is captured with stunning clarity, preserving the rush of your favorite sports. With its compact and lightweight design, this camera is the ultimate travel companion. It fits easily into your life and your gear bag, ready to document every spontaneous moment on land or sea. This camera delivers vibrant cinematic visuals that turn simple recordings into lasting memories. Every frame is filled with rich detail and color, making your personal stories look truly spectacular. Pros. You will absolutely love how this camera makes you feel like a professional filmmaker without the complicated setup. The stabilization is a total game changer for anyone who loves moving fast. And the long battery life means you won't miss those precious, unexpected moments. It's a reliable partner that truly understands the heart of an adventurer and helps you share your story beautifully. Cons. While it performs beautifully, the wide-angle lens might take a little practice to frame perfectly if you are used to standard cameras. Also, during very long recording sessions, you might notice the device gets warm to the touch, which is just something to keep in mind while you are out chasing your next big sunset or mountain peak. Final thoughts. Imagine being able to relive your most exciting journeys exactly as you felt them. This camera isn't just a piece of tech. It's a way to hold on to the laughter, the adrenaline, and the quiet beauty of the world around you. You deserve a tool that can keep up with your spirit, and this device offers the peace of mind to just live in the moment while it handles the hard work for you. Your next great adventure is just one click away. Check the price link in the description, subscribe to Tech Product, and like this video to stay updated on all the best gear. See you in the next one.